Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this piece for the first time, my name is Asma Zakari and I decided to do an unboxing. I just got this package just like some few minutes ago. I have not even opened it. I decided to do it in front of my camera. Actually, this is an order for raw materials for production. I actually ordered for myself and for my students. Yeah, that is what I did. And I'm just, you see, as you can see, I'm just opening it. Man, the cost of way bill, and even in fact, let me even start with the cost of the raw materials first. The prices are outrageous. Something I bought like 5-6 months ago for 2,000 naira, they're telling me that same thing now. It's like 5k. That is even more than 100% increment. Where are we going to now? Is it only in Nigeria or is the whole world? Honestly, I don't even know what to say any longer. So I decided to do this unboxing of this raw material right in front of you. See, my people, you guys should encourage me so that I can bring in more DIY. Because see, you see the thing is, you see the content inside this box is almost up to almost more than 50k. Like honestly, like no joke, this box you're seeing here, this small box that you're seeing here, the raw materials inside is not even up to an Indomie box, but it's quite big though. The content inside is almost up to 100k, like no caps. So if I'm not getting good views and good revenue here, how am I going to buy raw materials and give you guys those DIYs that you could do by yourself? Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a surfactant I ordered for. This is alpha olefin sulfonate. I have the video where I spoke about surfactants, right? Okay, and that's a liter. And this is another one again, cocoa midropropylene betaine, 1 liter. Okay, this is another one again. AOLS, yes, alpha olefin sulfonate, another 1 liter. Yeah, so basically this container is up to a liter. That's like 1,000 mil. Yeah, 1,000 mil here. Then this is cocoa midropropylene betaine. This is half liter. I think this one was ordered for a student. Even one of this AOLS, one of the 1 liter is for my students. This one, then this guy here. Let me drop this down first. So here in this package I have, oh, this is hyaluronic acid. This is even the higher molecular weight because my students were using this for hair serum. So basically when it's for skin purposes, we use both the higher molecular weight hyaluronic acid and lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid. And the reason for that is the fact that there are different layers of hydration that we crave for in skincare. Am I talking too much? But for hair, basically nothing. So the higher molecular weight, and guess what, the lower molecular weight is even more expensive than the higher molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Yes, but that's by the way. If you want a video for me to speak about the levels of hyaluronic acid and the penetration and the expectation, even a DIY, because this guy here that you're seeing here, this is 100 grams. Yes, this guy you're seeing here is about almost close to 30k, about 20 something thousand. Yes, for 100 grams. And don't be shocked, guys. That is why when I say I do not use actives in wash off products, I cannot throw away such amount of money down the drain. Yes, because these things are super expensive. All right, this is a 50-gram niacinamide PC. Now this is niacinamide PC, slightly different from the niacinamide vitamin B3. Yeah, this is, we'll talk about it next time. Or if you want to know more, register for our classes. That is where you get professional information, because at the end of the day, whatever I'm going to put out here would have a limit to what I'm going to let out to you. That's the truth. Then this is my zinc oxide. Yes, this is the primary ingredients in our mineral SPF. Yeah, this is zinc oxide. Yeah, this is 100 grams of it. Then last but not the least, this is disodium EDTA. Yeah, disodium EDTA is usually a chelator, goes into the water phase of the formula to help more like disintegrate some minerals that could affect the potency of preservative. Like for instance, now if you're formulating with a water, even if it's distilled water, I will still always advise the disodium EDTA salt, especially for foaming products. Yeah, I really recommend it. Even for cream products, yeah, I really recommend it. So if you're not sure of your water supply, or you just want to be like 100% assured, reassured, and aside from that, the sodium EDTA also helps to boost the strength of whatever preservative you're using for your cosmetic formulation. So I decided to do an unboxing, and that's all. Yeah, I ordered for some because we have been having offline classes, so I had to even put a pause for a while because of these things. We needed these raw materials for production. So basically, thank you so much, and don't forget our classes are both online and offline. So if you want to be part of our classes, I'm going to drop the WhatsApp number. You can chat, and then you get to know more of what courses you can choose from. Thank you so much, and see you in the video. Bye.